showing you how to make a sprite follow the mouse pointer around and make it look decent. So first what you need to do is, I'm just going to use cat sprite, you can just use whatever. First you need to go to events and do rendering 5 clip, and then do, just to make it a bit smoother, do set rotation style left and right, so it only goes left and right, not facing up and down. Now if you want it to start in the exact center, you can do 0, 0, and it will start right there. And then control, go to forever, so you create a forever loop. Then do point towards mouse pointer and move how many steps you want. And then this should now be it. So yeah. You can change steps if you want as well, to make it a bit slower. It's a bit too slow, I'm just going to keep it at 10. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.